How to edit margins in Google Docs. Margins are the blank and unused spaces between the document's content and edges. Margins don't contain any text or image, and their prime purpose is to prevent text from colliding with the document boundaries. So let's select a random page. Now there are two ways to edit the document margins. The first one is to go to File, Page Setup, and from here you can see the option Margins. Now the margins are measured in inches, and the default is set to 1 inch. Now you can change this by just clicking and typing in the number that you want to use. Let's say we want 0.5 on all of them, and at the top we want, I don't know, 1.5, so you can see the difference. If we click OK, you can see here there's a lot more space at the beginning and less space at the edges and at the bottom. Now this is the first way of doing this. Another thing I want to show you is every time you open up a new document, the margins are going to be set to 1 because that's the default. You can click apply the whole document and do, let's say 1, 0.5, and if you click set as default, every time you open up a new document, the margins are going to be these, the ones that you just typed in. So that's the first way. And the second way involves the ruler. You have to select the entire page and then move it a little to the right. And this will only move the selected text. If you, for example, want to go the page setup, you cannot edit margins for individual pages. And that's how to edit margins in Google Docs.